Welcome to Barbecue and Grilling with Derek Riches. Today we're going to be talking about one of my most popular steak toppings. It's a mock crab Oscar. It's absolutely delicious. You can say that a great steak doesn't need anything on top of it, but you're leaving out so many things that just make great steaks. And you know, some of the finest restaurants have come up with incredible recipes for toppings of all kinds. And crab Oscar is one of the most popular. Traditionally, this is asparagus, crab, and béarnaise sauce. But I've gone with something a little bit different, something a little bit more unique. So for my recipe, we're using 1 pound of fresh crab meat. We've got a medium shallot, finely chopped. We've got some celery, some lemon juice, some Dijon mustard, butter, sour cream, mayonnaise, garlic, a little hot sauce, a little salt, and a little pepper. And we're gonna throw this in a skillet and bring it up to a nice warm temperature, put on our steak. Okay, so I have a nice hot skillet here. I'm going to dump in my butter, get this melting. Good. Then I've got my shallot and my celery. We're just going to get these cooked up in the butter a little bit. Get that shallot to go a bit transparent. Soften up the celery a little bit. This is a real quick cook. So once you start seeing a little bit of browning on the shallot, we're going to dump in the garlic. Stir that in a little bit just to get it tossed up in the butter. Now we're going to dump in our crab meat. Really what we want to do is just get this warmed. After all, we don't want to be topping our steak with a cold mixture. Just get this combined in there nicely. Get the crab to warm up a little. And we throw in our lemon juice. That'll give it a nice bright flavor. And we have our hot sauce, salt, and our pepper. And just mix that around to get it all combined in. We're going to be mixing this up with the other ingredients in a minute, so everything will get combined very nicely. And a good skillet, just heat it through. Honestly, it doesn't take more than about 2 minutes. And you can do this while your steaks are finishing off on your grill. Okay, then over here in another bowl, I'm going to get my sour cream, my mayonnaise, and my Dijon mustard. Put that all in there. Now I'm going to mix this up. And now I'll take my crab mixture from the skillet while it's still nice and warm. And then just fold it over, get it to a nice, creamy, perfect texture. Okay, now all we need is a couple of great steaks. And I just happen to have a beautiful New York strip right here. So we're just gonna put a nice generous portion of our crab Oscar on the top here. And you know what? Let's throw some nice little chives on top there. And we have a perfect steak for any special occasion. This is a great Valentine's Day dish, or any anniversary or birthday or Tuesdays. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. This is a fantastic way to make a great steak. If you'd like to learn more about barbecue and grilling, there's a nice little subscribe button down below. And if you like this video, a thumbs up is always appreciated. You can find me at DerekRiches.com. There's a link for this recipe down below and a link for my website. Also, you can catch me on the Barbecue Central show, that's bbqcentral.com, once a month. I look forward to seeing you next time.